All right, welcome back, everybody. We are starting on a new project, and yes, it is another cutting board, but I'm gonna make it about 8 inches wide by about 12. And I'm gonna do some angles. So, got white maple, black walnut, and then I got a piece of cherry. I just need to cut a piece out of. And that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna do. So, new project, new cutting board. All right, so you're gonna stay tuned. I am gonna clean up this end on the chop saw and cut my length. All right, I need to cut one more piece of cherry. Set it up here and cross that. All right. Well, the white ones are 1.25 inches. I'm thinking about ripping everything down, doing a 1 inch, just for easy sake. Everything has a good edge. We'll get set up on the old table saw. Do some ripping, 1 inch. Okay, we'll set up on this other table saw, and I'll show you one or two, but just rip work. I won't bore you with that too much. All right, this all should be 1 inch. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay, so maple, walnut, cherry, maple, walnut, cherry, maple, walnut, cherry, maple, walnut, cherry. My pattern. I need to make it. I wish I had the tools to make a jig to set this up at 22 and a half. Maybe I can figure something out. I don't know if I have anything here though. Maybe I just clamp something together. Figure that out. But I need to get all these same thickness as the cherry. This is my thinnest stuff, so that's the next step. We'll just probably use the planer, and yeah. Okay, I got the planer set up. Now I'll go there and make all these pieces the same length width as the cherry. There's quite a bit on some of those. We'll see how well they here. All right, that turned out really good. So we'll take it back over and all right, I got everything jointed up, and we're ready to put some glue on. I gotta go find my glue, and gotta find the scraps of the clamp, and yeah, we'll do that. All right, see you after that. Let's get. All right, well, I think I'm almost ready to put glue on it and clamp it up. It's gonna be complicated. So I'll let you watch for a minute, and then yeah. So I'll set you up over here, out of the way where you can see, and here we go.